Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and I am in a crawl space that has a lot of condensation. As you can see, the dripping from the HVAC. This is all rusted here, which gives me an indication that this has probably been going on for a long time. The HVAC straps are rusted. This is fiberglass around the main trunk line, so it has a lot of moisture in it. The other thing is you can see the moisture inside of the insulation, hopefully. So this fiberglass is just holding moisture. I can see the water droplets. See a lot of potential growth on the joist, but the reason why I wanted to take this video was to show you this. You see there's a pillar here, there's a pillar here, but there should be something right here. So anyway, I don't like to see these. Now this is 3 pieces of wood joined together, and these 2 are solid. They go all the way from there to there. But this, as you can see, this piece of wood has started to fall, and this wood's not here for no reason. So we really need to put a post jack or something here to level this piece out so that it's supporting this wood properly. So if you're in your crawl space and you see this type of thing not being supported, you might want to just consider putting a post jack there so that way it's got the support it needs. Thanks, crawlspaceninja.com. I hope you like this video down below, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching. See you later.